Some people have asked why we would remove the analog headphone jack from the iPhone. Really comes down to one word: courage. The courage to move on, do something new that betters all of us. And our team has tremendous courage.
How many times should I try? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about the companies that marks Apple. Enjoy.
Feel free to choose whichever size Pixel you prefer, because you'll get the same great experience on both. We don't set aside better features for the larger device.
So Google Pixel2, they marked the whole launch of their product. Apple, what they told in that event was like moving from iOS to Google and doing this, doing that for the storage and everything. But one thing they should know, they copied Apple's headphone jack. Removing the headphone jack never was so easy. That's what Apple called courage. Now moving to Oneplus5T. Oneplus5T, even they talk in the whole event like we don't use that kind of transferring data from computer, making backups, doing this, doing that. Apple does this, Apple do that. But when I see when I see Oneplus5T and the 7 Plus or 8 Plus, I don't know which one is one. Okay, I know because it has Oneplus5T logo, not the Apple logo. So when you're about to talk trash about something, I'm not such a big fan of Apple, but if you're talking trash, why do you copy them? Be one. Can you see a difference here from the iPhone 7 Plus? Okay, maybe the display and the home button is missing, but who knows?
I'm sure we've got plenty of iPhone users here today in OnePlus launching event. That's okay, because we know that a lot of our users, they used to use iPhone before. So since a lot of you are joining our family, we wanted to make the transition a little easier. So OnePlus Switch is also going to compatible with the iPhone.
Oh, that was so funny. Okay, can you see a difference here? Yes, it's not the Apple logo, but the OnePlus logo. I don't see so much differences. I know Oneplus5T is a very good phone that costs less than the iPhone, but I don't want to copy from someone because I cannot see a difference here. And then we talk about Samsung. Samsung is such a great company, so if I have to choose from the other devices, expect iOS, iPhone, I'll definitely choose Samsung because I'm going to get the new Note 8. It's not new, but the Note 8. So I was just talking about something because even Samsung make fun about Apple. So when they released S6H, they copied everything about Apple. You can see in that photos. And in this video, they're showing us that the Samsung doesn't have water damage, but I don't need a phone that gets in water because that's why GoPros are here and the other cameras. Upgrading to Note 8. I just found this funny because when they made the upgrade to Note 8, Pixel2 Play made this fun video about the guy who moved from Note to from iPhone to Note. Now the girl's moving from Note to Pixel2 Play. So that was just funny. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. There are going a lot of videos to come. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like that video. Bye.